Crop leaves the artwork where two or more images intersect and removes the rest of the artwork. To illustrate this, I've placed 3 circles on the design page and overlapped them. Select all items in the Sequence View window. Remove the check mark next to Fill and then click Apply. This is just to show you what happens. You don't have to remove the check mark each time. Click on the Arrange tab. Choose Transform Artwork and then Crop. You are left with the area where all 3 circles overlapped. For more information about this and other Brother products, visit your local authorized Brother dealer.